Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for maintaining clean and fresh water in your refrigerator. We're talking about the everydrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1. This filter stands out as one of the best replacements for Whirlpool refrigerators currently available on the market. Whether you're looking to replace an old filter or upgrade to something more efficient, the everydrop Filter 1 promises to deliver crisp, refreshing water every time. The everydrop Filter 1 is certified by Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, and JennAir brands, ensuring compatibility and performance. It's designed to reduce sediment and other contaminants, providing you with cleaner, better-tasting water directly from your fridge. Let's talk about some key features. Firstly, it's NSF certified for reducing a wide range of potentially harmful contaminants, giving you peace of mind about the quality of water your family drinks. The filter is easy to install and fits seamlessly into compatible refrigerators, with a design that focuses on durability and reliability. One of the standout benefits is its ability to maintain the optimal flow rate while effectively filtering water. This means you get both efficiency and performance in one package. If you're wondering why you should choose the everydrop Filter 1 over other options, it's all about the brand trust and performance. With nearly perfect ratings and a large number of satisfied customers, this filter consistently delivers on its promises. Now, it's important to note that while there are other filters out there, the everydrop Filter 1 is uniquely engineered to meet the specific needs of Whirlpool and associated brands. It's a direct replacement that doesn't compromise on quality. Installing and maintaining the everydrop Filter 1 is straightforward. We recommend replacing it every 6 months or when the indicator light on your refrigerator alerts you to do so. This ensures optimal performance and water quality. In conclusion, the everydrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1 is more than just a water filter. It's a testament to quality and reliability in home appliances. If you own a compatible Whirlpool refrigerator, this filter is a must-have for ensuring your family's access to clean and refreshing water. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.